Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. Johnny here. We've got a special video for y'all today. My 16-year-old daughter, Zoe, who lives in Texas, is here to visit this 4th of July weekend. Now, she has not been up here in over 4 years, ever since we moved up here. But we have gone down there a few times to visit, and we've gone on family vacations and stuff like that. But this is her first time up here, so I'm pretty excited. Another thing is Slow Bro Braden. He isn't here with us right now. He's gone down to Texas to stay with his other family. They're gonna be going on a cruise to Jamaica here pretty soon, so he'll be having a blast this summer. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited about my daughter being here. Probably gonna take her out sightseeing, probably gonna take her up Mount Scott, check out Medicine Park. She has not seen Medicine Park. She has visited here one time prior to us moving here, and it was to come visit Sky's brother Albert, and we went out to Mount Scott and Lake Latonka. So those were the only two places she's been, so we're gonna take her someplace new. She's not been to Elmer Thomas Park. There's a Freedom Festival going on over there at Elmer Thomas right now, and we're gonna be taking her over there to check out the food trucks, the Prairie Dog Park. She's never seen prairie dogs in person, but she will this time. There's gonna be a drone show, a fireworks show, so we're probably gonna be going out riding and checking out some fireworks. So stick around, see what we got going on our two-wheeled adventures. Alrighty, y'all. It's the Homechan family here. This is me and my girls. What we're doing today is going up Mount Scott. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi. We're going up the mountain, y'all. My ears just popped. How about y'all?
I smell blood.
You smell blood? Is it coming from your nose?
No.
Nose? Yeah, we are out here, y'all. Out here. Out in the mountain.
We just got up. I mean, little.
Little. Are we getting out? Yeah? No? Just for a second.
You got that.
Huh?
Am I going to?
Do you want to?
Yes.
Let's go. Cushion.
You're all custom.
Alrighty, y'all, we made it all the way to the top of the mountain. Mount Scott here. Here we are.
I forgot being here.
Forgot what it's like to be here?
Yep.
Yeah, we don't come here often, even though we just live right down the street.
We used to come every weekend.
Well, what you got to say?
Hi.
Anything else?
Having so much fun. Go
Find your way down there.
Just touch on it.
Here we go. Ooh, we are out here, y'all. We out here. Mama, let's go. Go this way. There's probably snakes this way too. Let's go.
Yay.
Ow. I don't know. Grass poked me and it felt weird. Like I've never been to the jungle before.
You monkey.
carry you.
Zoe, you jump down there. If you have a parachute,
Buddy. Look.
please.
Alright, Mello's World.
It's facing you.
You're like,
Which one?
I guess. Here's the mountain. Look at the sky. Ooh, so cool. Smoky bags. Sky. Zoe? Wildlife for real. It's like we're on a real adventure.
Was it this way? Now I'm lost. Are we lost? Oh no. How do we get home from here?
Together.
Echolocation.
Yeah. We can go that way or that way. This way looks shadier.
This way?
But that means there might be
Might be more critters.